I've been diagnosing a suspension noise for the past few months on the Toyota Supra Mark IV. I've gone through multiple things, done multiple inspections, and can't seem to find the issue. So after looking at some YouTube videos and trying to listen to their noises, I've decided to go ahead and look at the sway bar end links. This is the one that came off the car, and this is the new one that I just got from Napa. So if we look over here at this diagram, we have, this is actually from the Toyota service manual, and we have the front sway bar right here, and here is the end link that we're talking about, and they have two nuts, and within this end link there is actually there should be grease in there. And now my car's a 1994, so that's it's over 20 years, and I am assuming that this is going to be the issue. So I took these off. You need to put an Allen key in here, and you need to use a 14mm wrench to remove this. The bottom one is a lot harder because of the space, but I was able to get it as well. So I try to mimic as if I was, you know, the car and the movement. And I hear that noise, and I'm not sure still if that's not good. So what I did was I started trying to find out, you know, if that play is acceptable or not. Now, when I try to make these move, I'm putting sufficient force, probably about triple or quadruple the force that I put on the right side, and they're not moving. So I'm very, very hopeful that this might solve my issue. Okay, what we're doing is we're replacing the sway bar end link over here. And the tools you'll need is a 14mm wrench. You could use the open end or closed end. And you're going to need a 5 Allen key. And the one I have has a little handle. Kind of helps me grip it because, you know, these things are metal. As I stated before, we're trying to fix the little front end dumping noise and see if this will help it. So what you do is, of course, is set yourself up for leverage. So since we're going to want to loosen it, we're going to go left. So I set up my wrench like this, and now I'm going to set my Allen key inside here. I like to wiggle it back and forth just to make sure it's in there, because we don't want it to strip. So these haven't been touched in 20 years, so what I like, I'm also going to get in here and just kind of work it around. Alright, looks like we're pretty good. Alright. Sometimes there's tricks to getting some leverage using different parts to do it. It just depends on where everything's positioned. Right. I like to get a rag just in case I slip, you know, protect your knuckles. And okay, when it's tight, I like to give it a little motion, and there it goes. Whew. Need to work out. That is formal working out, right? Working on cars. Okay. So I got the bolt loose on this end, and what I'm going to switch to now is a ratchet wrench. Ratchet wrenches are freaking amazing, so this will help me speed up the process. So we are trying to give you the best angle. We got like a light, a phone, we're all sorts of place, but down here, right here is the sway bar. And what I did is I moved it from the top and moved it down, and it allowed me my ratchet wrench to get back here. Otherwise, it would be really hard. You can't get a socket on it because you need to have the Allen key on it. So this ratchet wrench is saving us. This is all I got. I'm moving it back and forth, but it'll take it off. Okay, here we removed the old one, and looks like a little bit of rust here. Looks like some of the fluid is leaking out right there. Ew. and install it the way we uninstalled it, and make sure that we torque it to 54 foot-pounds, and then you're good to go.